Staring into the mirror at those dark circles and heavy bags under your eyes can feel like a losing battle. You are scrolling through your social media feed late at night when the blue light is already straining your vision. Suddenly, an ad pops up for something called the Zevorify Eye Repair Stick. It looks sleek and professional. The claims are bold and the packaging is modern. You feel that familiar urge to just click and buy because it might be the magic solution you have been looking for. But wait a second. Before you hand over your hard-earned cash, you need to know if this is a genuine breakthrough or just another well-funded marketing trap. We see these storefronts appearing every single day. They use all the right buzzwords to grab your attention. They show incredible transformations. Yet, a healthy dose of skepticism is your best friend when shopping online. Investigating a product like this requires looking at way more than just the price tag or the pretty pictures. You have to dig into the digital bones of the website. Our research looks at 40 different elements to see what is really happening behind the scenes. We check where the website is actually hosted. We look at the technology they use to process your payments. We track the location of the business and its overall popularity across the web. Interestingly, the trust score for this specific eye stick is actually quite decent. It does not immediately scream scam when you look at the technical setup. The hosting is stable and the service model indicates a level of legitimacy that you do not always see with these viral products. However, the lack of long-term history is still a point of concern. You are essentially acting as a pioneer for a new formula when you buy from a site like this. It is like being the first person to try a new restaurant that has no reviews yet. It might be the best meal of your life, or it might be a total disaster. The research suggests that this brand is walking a very narrow line between a legitimate startup and a risky gamble. You have to use your own mind value research to make the final call. This means looking at the fine print of their return policy. It means checking if they have a real customer support team that answers questions. If a company is vague about what is actually inside the stick, you should probably walk away. Your skin is sensitive, especially around the eyes. You deserve to know exactly what you are putting on your face. While the technical data points toward this being a real site, you should still proceed with your eyes wide open. Do not let a flashy advertisement override your gut instinct. If you have already ordered this stick, your feedback is incredibly valuable to the rest of the community. Real human experiences are the only way to truly verify these claims. We are always watching these sites to see if their behavior changes over time. A site that looks safe today could easily change its tactics tomorrow. Being a smart shopper in this digital age means being a detective. You have to be willing to look past the surface level. Only then can you feel truly confident about where your money is going. This investigation shows a complicated picture. The site has a solid foundation, but the brand itself is still proving its worth in a crowded market. Take your time. Do your homework. Stay skeptical until you have the product in your hands. Your wallet and your skin will both thank you for the extra effort.